Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put a Nissan Rogue in reverse. Start with a full stop, press and hold the brake, then move the shifter from P into R. Look over both shoulders, check mirrors and the backup camera, and release the brake slowly to begin reversing. Use gentle steering inputs and proceed at low speed while scanning for pedestrians and obstacles, staying calm and focused throughout the maneuver. Before you attempt reverse, adjust your seat so you sit comfortably with clear sight lines to mirrors and the rear window. Set side mirrors to minimize blind spots and tilt the rear view to capture a full rear view. If equipped, enable and glance at the backup camera, but do not rely solely on it. Keep both hands on the wheel and maintain steady breathing to stay relaxed while executing the reverse maneuver safely and confidently. When reversing, use the backup camera and parking sensors together for the best awareness. Rely on your eyes first by glancing over both shoulders, then confirm with mirrors and the camera. Sensors will beep as you approach objects, so slow down and stop when beeps intensify. If visibility is poor, ask a spotter to guide you while you maintain control. This combined approach helps prevent surprises and keeps your Rogue and surroundings safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.